has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, southern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ada, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60
I don't know
miles
if
per
I could
hour
get
with
this. Is
gusts
this a
and
toy
quarter-size
show?
hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bluffton, Forest, Arlington, Van Loo, New Regal, Cary, Mount Blanchard, Wharton, Genera, Mount Corey, and Williamstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Seneca, and Wyandotte.
Alright, first warning of Ohio.